Double pair photocell wiring of BFT step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a double pair of photocells of BFT brand with a control board using a 24-volt power supply system. If you want maximum safety for your automatic gate or door, this setup is very important, so watch carefully till the end. This is single pair of BFT photocell devices. This is second pair of BFT photocell devices. Let's start connection. This 2 pins devices are transmitter. Transmitter or TX sends infrared signal. This 5 pins devices are receiver. Receiver or RX receives the infrared signal. The 4 devices, the first pins, I connected red wires. The 4 devices, the second pins, I connected black wires. Red wire indicates plus input of power supply. Black wire indicates minus input of power supply. Connect 24-volt power supply from the control board to this 4 devices. In receiver sensor pin, 3 blue wire and terminal 5 green pin. In second receiver sensor pin, 3 blue wire and terminal 5 green pin. Mark NC wire and common wire. Mark also second sensor, NC wire and common wire. Let connect in series connection. Now you will see red wire between 2 receivers, sensor NC and common is jumper. This 2 remaining wire direct connects to control board. The purpose of using double photocells is 1 for outside of the gate safety, 1 for inside of the gate safety. This gives extra protection for vehicles and people. Important tip: always maintain correct polarity. Red equals positive. Black equals negative. Wrong polarity can damage the photocell. If any one beam is interrupted, the circuit opens and the gate stops or reverses. Why series? Because it ensures maximum safety. Even if one photocell detects an obstacle, system reacts. In simple words, both photocells must be closed for the gate to move. Result: gate should stop or reverse immediately. Test both pairs individually. Important tips: always align photocells properly. Keep wiring neat and secure. Use proper voltage 24-volt only. Never mix NO and NC incorrectly. Use series connection for multiple safety devices. If this helped you understand double photocell wiring, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon.